Hey everyone! Welcome back to Tech Tip Nest. If you're looking to delete your Instagram account forever, this is the video you need to watch. We'll guide you through the process step by step to get it done as quickly as possible. Follow along carefully and don't skip any steps. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Instagram app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Next, click on the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu, at the top right corner of your profile page. Then, you need to click on Account Center. Once you're in, go to the Personal Details option. Here, you can see all your personal information. Next, click on Account Ownership and Control. Now you have the option Deactivation or Deletion. Click on it. Once you click, you'll see a list of accounts. Select the one you want to permanently delete and click on it. Then, you'll be given the option to either deactivate or delete the profile. If you want to delete it, click on Delete Account and then Continue. Finally, you're on the Delete Your Account page. Instagram will ask you to select a reason for deleting your account. Choose any reason from the drop-down menu. It doesn't matter which one. Then enter your password. Once you've done that, you're just one step away from permanently deleting your account. If you're having any second thoughts, now is the time to reconsider. But if you're sure, press the Continue button. After you've pressed the Continue button, Instagram will immediately deactivate your account. However, it takes Instagram up to 30 days to complete the deletion process. And that's it! You've successfully deleted your Instagram account forever. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to guides and tech tips. See you in the next video!